Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you my DIY ESP32 based 8-channel Wi-Fi relay controller, a low-cost versatile automation solution that can be used for home automation, industrial automation, smart lighting, smart machine control, greenhouse automation, water pump control, HVAC systems, and much more. So without further ado, let's start the video.
If you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon so you can get notified about my new videos. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram. I have a second channel, Tech, do check it out as well. Subscribe and support it. All the links are in the description.
This is my own custom-built Wi-Fi relay board based on the powerful ESP32 microcontroller. It features 8 5-volt relays, ULN2803 relay driver IC for safe control, and status LEDs for each channel, and uses terminal block for clean and secure wiring to the devices, an OLED display to show IP address. I chose ESP32 because it offers built-in Wi-Fi, many GPIO pins, low power consumption, and high processing speed, perfect for automation control. With Wi-Fi connectivity, you can control this board from anywhere on your network using a web browser. No special remote or apps required. To make the build more professional and error-free, I designed a PCB for this project. It helps reduce wiring mess and makes everything plug and play. And this video is sponsored by JLC PCB, one of the largest and most reliable PCB manufacturers. Whether you are a maker or a professional, they offer high-quality PCB fabrication, SMT assembly, and super fast delivery at an affordable price. Now let's head over to the computer and start working on the PCB layout for this project. First, design your PCB layout using your preferred PCB design software and then generate Gerber files. These files include all necessary information JLC PCB needs to fabricate your board. Now open your browser and go to jlcpcb.com and click on Instant Code. Then upload your Gerber files. JLC PCB will automatically analyze your files and display a preview of your PCB. Now it's time to configure board options. You can choose PCB thickness, color, surface finish, copper weight, number of PCBs, solder mask, and silk screen options. Set these according to your needs. Once everything looks good, click on Save to Cart. Then enter your shipping address. Be sure to provide accurate information, your name, phone number, full address, and zip code to avoid delivery issues. Choose a shipping method. Now proceed to payment. JLC supports multiple options. Choose the one you prefer and complete the payment process. After payment, your order will enter the production queue, and that's it. In just a few easy steps, your custom PCB will be on its way from JLC PCB's factory to your doorstep. Here's the PCBs. Let's start placing the components and solder them. So that's it for today's video. I hope you have enjoyed this video. For more videos like that, stay tuned and I will see you in the next video.